da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Oh.
Hey guys, it's LaFinchy, All Things History, and today we're going to be doing yet again another map tutorial. So, I think it's been quite a while since my last map tutorial, but today we'll be doing the Caribbean island of Hispaniola, which contains the two Latin American countries of Haiti and the Dominican Republic. So let's start. We're going to begin here at the Haitian capital Port-au-Prince. So we'll do a little harbor over there, not too big, and then we'll be doing a peninsula to its left. So just keep drawing, and here, and then a circle a bit, and then a triangle, and then we go back around here. Just keep on going for a bit, and then we do another triangle, which is where Haiti and the Dominican Republic meet, and then go up here, and then down here, the Santo Domingo, and then this is the western point, this is the eastern point of Hispaniola. Then we'll be going the other way. We keep going and then into another harbor, the city of Saint Marc, and then we go into Ganave Island, which is just an ellipse. And then we'll be doing another mini peninsula. So it's basically like this. And then we go down like this here, and then goes up a bit, and then it keeps going down, down, and down, and down, and down, and then we meet, and then we connect the entire island, and then finally we do the island of Tortuga, which is like Ganave but different, but it lost weight. We're not done yet. So here there are two lakes. So here's one lake, and here's another lake. And then here's the Haitian border, the Haitian Dominican Republic border. So it's basically a bunch of triangles here, and here, and here. Yes. And you can label them if you want. So, this is the Dominican Republic. And this is Haiti. And are also labeled capitals. Santo Domingo and Port-au-Prince. And we'll just sign this. And then there we go. This is basically a simple drawing of Hispaniola. So if you like this tutorial, please like and subscribe and share this video with all of your friends. Also, make sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss a single video I upload. This is LaFinchy, All Things History, signing out. Bye! In 1844, the Dominican Republic fought for its independence from Haiti, which possessed all of Hispaniola at the time.